Welcome back to this week's edition of Bailey Built, and we're doing a tool review of the 10-inch Craftsman compound miter saw. This one is actually foldable, which is kind of a different, unique twist for a tool. I've got my unboxing knife, and of course I'm ready to dig into this. We'd love to give, of course, a shout out to our friends over at Westlake Eggs for keeping us up to date with the latest tools and supplies for our videos. We'll have links in the description to this and other tools we've been reviewing in the description below. Let's get to it. The Craftsman 10-inch folding miter saw is a unique invention. The box advertises a 15-amp saw that features a collapsible blade that can be put away for tight storage needs. This saw comes with a 3-year warranty. Slicing open the box, the first thing you discover is a large outer layer of foam. There were several accessories visible, like the clamp. There was also a tension knob used to change the saw's angle for miter cut, a wrench to change the blades, and a bag used for dust collection, and the instruction booklet. Once the foam was removed, it was time for an up-close look. The saw's unusual profile makes it very attractive for storing indoors. To assemble, I start by taking the miter handle and screwing it into place. Next up, you rotate around to the back of the saw and loosen the bevel lock knob. Once that's loose, you can pull the safety lock, which is located right next to it, and stand the saw up by using its built-in handle. Once the saw is vertical, go ahead and tighten the bevel knob. This will ensure that it locks into place. At the front of the saw, lift and squeeze the lock lever located under the miter handle and rotate to the left. Guides on the saw's platform will show you the various degree angles. You'll want to make sure that you have it locked on 0. Up top, the handle comes complete with a safety lock. This must be depressed before the saw's trigger will engage. A latch on the left side will need to be released. That allows the saw to be pulled down so that the cutting process can be engaged. At this point, you can add the wood clamp. This saw also has a unique feature of an adjustable laser. On the thumb of the handle is a roller wheel. It adjusts the angle of the laser from left to right to ensure an accurate measurement before cutting. An on-off switch sits on the right side of that handle. The switch is covered by a clear protective coating. The compact saw's holder doubles as a support base when it's lined up on the left side of the saw. After making a few test cuts, it was time to pack the saw away. I removed the support base and began to fold it up. Figuring out which way the saw actually stored inside that base took a little time, but I finally got it. Well, after getting a chance to test this out, I'm really impressed with it. The fact that they were able to get a full miter saw in such a thin profile is definitely going to be great for the shop. I think this tool actually works great for the DIY or around the house or even on a construction site. It seems pretty durable and lightweight, not to mention this will travel really well from site to site. Of course, if you'd like to hear more about what tool reviews we're doing here on Bailey Built and some of our DIY projects as we head through spring, all you have to do is click on like and smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to click the bell so you get those notifications of our latest videos. For the latest for Bailey Built, take care.